G'day and welcome back to Rusty's Garage. As introed in the last video, didn't put it up, so I thought I'd make a video for itself and put it up. So the Lego City race car, it's really cool. The minifigure looks like Justin Bieber, and the car itself is pretty awesome. So yeah, let's get this going, hey? Because it is a pretty cool video. Just one more thing, I've got another custom underway. So it is the green Jeep, as you can see there. And this will be another custom that is getting sent to Naz. So shout out to you, Naz. This is another custom that'll be getting sent to Naz for his Ukraine auctions. So once I get these together, Naz, I'll get them in the post to you, mate, and get them over there as quick as I can. Also, guys, I'll put a link in the description to Naz's YouTube. Check it out. He does some really good stuff, and he's doing auctions for the Ukraine war effort as well. So get over there, give him a like and a subscribe, check out his channel, and donate if you can through the various channels that he has there. So, but let's get this Lego going. You may as well do this as well, eh? It's not going to take long. It's not a very big build, and I want to really get that minifigure out. So, and because it looks like Justin Bieber, but anyway. Right, let's find our trusty green knife, and we will do that and that. Easy as that. Right, let's get this out of the not a lot of pieces, guys, so this one should be pretty quick. So we'll get all this sorted out and get back into it. So we've got this piece, we got this, these. Yeah, oh no, that. On there. Oh. Like I said, very quick. It's for 5+, so it's only got like one piece per page by the looks of it. Oh, there's a couple. So but we will, because it won't take too long, we will speed this up and yeah, get it going. So I've got these pieces go there and there. So this has actually been a pretty cool build. It's yeah, quite awesome actually. for a little like a little sports car. It's nice. The little tail goes up there on the rear and everything. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The roof goes on there, and then we've got this orange pieces there. So I'd say this goes on the rear. Yeah, it does. Up in there. To finish that off, that's cool. And then the wheels. So we'll put these wheels together. One. Get them all over here. Two. Three. Four. So there you go, that's cool. We'll get a close-up picture of that. We'll get some good pictures of that too and chuck him up. Yeah, that's awesome. That looks really nice, so that's cool. So yeah guys, that was a pretty good build actually. It's an awesome looking little car, and it'll go well with the rest of the Lego stuff on the top there, on the top of the display. So there it is. The tail goes, the wing I guess goes up and down, so it's adjustable, so you can lay it flat like that, or you can have it at any sort of angle that you want it at. So that's really cool. The roof comes off, and it's just one spot for a driver in there, which is pretty awesome as well. And the driver, funny because I don't even know where he went now. He fell on the floor. Here he is. So the driver actually looks like Justin Bieber. So he's got Justin Bieber's haircut. So yeah, the Biebs. Well, the original Biebs. Biebs doesn't look like that now. Biebs looks like a homeless person. So, but yeah, anyway. So yeah, really nice build, and it will go well up there, the rest of the Legos. So, yeah, guys, so I guess if you've liked what you've seen here today, please, as always, like, share, and subscribe. Got some cool stuff coming up, and guys, I'm getting your packages ready to ship. So in the next week or so, they'll be shipped. So yeah. Yeah, head over Monkey Shine Lab, give those guys a like, a share, and a subscribe. Andre, First 117, Chris from Ghostbusters Quick Response Unit, Hotline of Diecast, and Figure Trap, and last but not least, Nostalgic. As I said previously at the start of this video, head over to Naz's Facebook page and check out his auctions for the Ukraine. Very, very worthy cause. There will be a link to his YouTube in the description. So, guys, yeah, please click on that, head over to his YouTube, give him a like, a share, and subscribe, and check out his auctions for the Ukraine. I'll get these customs to you, mate, as soon as I possibly can. But yeah, until then, guys, see ya.